pulling her closer to his body. Jungkook was holding her neck and another hand was holding her waist tightly. He was busy devouring his wife's mouth in the morning. Wine gripped his hair tightly and responded in that same passionate way which he was showing. Both were each other exploring their bodies with their hands. Jungkook went down, breaking the kiss. He went towards her neck and plastered his soft. Jungkook was roaming his hand on her body. He was further going down. He and his wife were enjoying their moment. Her eyes were closed and he was going down when he felt soft tap hands on his shoulder. He frowned because one hand was already on his body. He moved his head up and became confused when he saw his son Jungwoo. Wan also opened her eyes when she found him stop. She laughed when she saw Jungkook looking at his son, confused. Jungkook, what is this little creature doing? When did he woke up? Van laughed at his expression. Jungkook was sleeping beside her and he woke up and saw his dad on his mother. So he crawled towards his dad and tapped on his head. Jungkook sat straight with a done face and said to Vine, who picked Jungkook and made him say on her stomach, I told you to take him to his room. I knew it. He will spoil my moment. I was in a mood. Vine scoffed and said, you are always in a mood. One, yes, and he is a spoiler. One stood up, taking Jungkook in her arms, making Jungkook whine. One looked at him with a glare and said, it's early morning. Get ready for the office. I will give him bath in his room. Jungkook, leave him. Come with me. One ignored him and went out of the room, making him scoffed and irritated. But then a smile formed on his lips when he remembered how his wife had changed in his past 2 months. One forgave him, and now they are living happily together, a married couple like he always dreamt of. Cooking breakfast while holding Jungwoo in her arms, she was moving left and right. Jungwoo was giggling, looking at her. She thought for a second that how happy she was finally after getting her family. She was complete now. Soon Jungwoo came inside the kitchen and Beck hugged her. He plastered a soft kiss on her cheek, and Jungkook was satisfied with it. He was removing Jungkook's face from his mother's neck with his tiny arms, making both of them chuckle. When maybe he also want a kiss from you. Jungkook smiled and went forward to kiss on his cheeks, but got a tiny slap on his face, making Ryan laugh at it. The slap was tiny, but Jungkook's nails were big, which made a red effect on his cheeks. Jungkook glared at him playfully, and Jungkook giggled. Jungkook smiled and said to Ryan, be ready at 5. I will pick you up and we will go for shopping. Well, I have enough clothes, but we can buy some for him because this baby is getting big day by day. Jungkook and we can also spend some quality time together. They nodded, and after breakfast, Jungkook left for office. Hand in hand, they were walking inside the mall. Vine was holding some bags and Jungkook was holding Jungkook. Vine, these are enough now. I don't need more. Jungkook, okay, then let's go for the food court. Vine nodded and pinned Jungkook's cheek, who was looking here and there, enjoying the view. Going towards the food court, Jungkook and Vine were talking to each other when suddenly their attention went on the couple, which was in front of them and at the distance. It seems like the couple was fighting on something. When they saw it clearly, it was none other than Mark and Sia. Jungkook held Vine's hand tightly and said, "Let's ignore them and move." Vine nodded slowly, but she wasn't in a mood to leave them. In fact, she wanted to fight. Her mood was to fight for fun, but then she decided to ignore them. But looks like Mark and Sia have saw them and they were coming. A dirty smirk was plastered on their face. They approached Jungkook and Vine. "Sia, look who we have here." Jungkook was about to take Vine away, but the girl was already in a mood. Vine, "Yes, look who we have here. The gold digger who left her son and husband for a cheapster like him." And then Vine turned towards Mark and said, "And that not so man guy here, the one who left a beautiful wife for this plastic." Both Mark and Sia were glaring at Vine, but she wasn't done yet. Vine, "Well, why were you both illiterate, useless couple were barking on each other here in the mall?" Vine, "Seems like your not so man guy was not willing to buy you something, right?" Sia was fuming in anger because Vine guessed it right. Vine, "Look at her face. Why so red, baby?" Jungkook smirked and chuckled at Vine's behavior. He tried to take Vine away, but Vine wanted some more. Vine, "If you can't afford it, then why are you always drag your husband useless body here? Don't you had enough?" Vine said while laughing hard on her and Mark. Jungkook again chuckled, adding fuel in it, and tried to take Vine away, but still Vine said while going away. "Next time, if you want to fight, then stay at home. This is a public place, not meant for dogs and bitches fighting place." Vine chuckled and left from there, making Mark and Sia angry as hell, but they knew that they can't stand in front of that roaster. Taking her away, Jungkook said while laughing, "What was that for?" Vine smirked and said, "Well, I was in a mood for fun and that idiot gave me a chance. You should thank me or else I would have done that to you at home." Jungkook playfully glared at her. Jungkook, "Well, I won't protest because I also love your festive behavior." And Batman slapped him on the shoulder and he fakely groaned. "Fine, we are in public, right, Jungkook? So what? I'm enjoying it just like you." Again, a slap landed on his face. It was from Jungkook. Both Jungkook and Ryan chuckled and kissed Jungkook's cheek, who was smiling at his mother and father. Someone had said that two broken souls make a perfect match together, and he was right. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.